Yeah. The other one's right here. You get the car. Watch this, Daddy. Okay, get the car. Get the car, Jack. Get the car. You get the Batmobile. You can't do it without the car. Okay, come here. What? He sets up the thing and...
Okay, I gotta put the car seat in the car.
If you do that, you can do this. Put Batman on top. Oh, smart. There.
You like that birthday present, huh? Right on.
Probably makes